Hello. Uh, Nice to have you here, and apologizes for this technical problem we had, and I do my best to get it in line again. So you see, we are Wikus. This is a producer for benzo blades. On a way, it's more or less a niche product in this business, but I would say as well very essential. This is our agenda, and of course a short information and about our company, what we are and where are we located. And then I like to talk about some technical things. How is a benzo blade? How can we use it? And of course I like to tell you something about our applications and as well for the dismantling. So we use our benzo blades in the beginning to produce all parts in the cutting operation, which is mostly before a milling or turning operation. And we are in charge again if you start with the dismantling. So, okay. These are some facts about our company. As you see, we are founded in 1958, so we have already some years of experience, and we can say that we are the largest benzo blade manufacturer in Europe. And we belong to, I would say, the 3 big players worldwide. As you see, so we have about 700 employees. The most are working in our site in Spangenberg, which is located in the center of Germany. And so some other facts, as you see, 48,000 square meters for production area. And here we have a number, 4,000 tons steel processing per year. So in the first 4,000 tons seem to be not a big volume, but you have to see we produce a benzo blades which is about maybe 1 millimeter thickness. And finally, if you see the meters we produce, so from these 4,000 tons, it's enough to get to the moon and back, and maybe back to the moon again. So you see some about our philosophy and our visions. And of course, we try to meet commercial and technological customers' needs. Therefore, we have a wide range of products which we can see later on. And of course, we try to be the market leaders in innovation, in cutting power, and finally also in profit for you. Okay, and this is again a part of our philosophy. Another thing, so we are located in Germany, produced in Germany. All products have their origin in this point, but Wikus is beside as well a worldwide operating group. So as you see, the production, this is a red dot, is there in this small village Spangenberg, but all around we have subsidiaries, so sister and daughter companies in all places where you have some business. And the benefit for you, because worldwide, so we are everywhere global represented, and we are able to act locally, and we are technically networked. What means for you, if you have an application or a question, you can say, we are nearby the customers with our subsidiaries. Of course, we have these products, the short delivery times, and we can make our service in your local language. So we have specialized consulting services and also technicians and a technical service. just to give you an impression where we are. The fields where we are active is, as you see, transportation. Then we have steel metal construction, steel production itself, okay, non-ferrous metals, and here we have the machine plant engineering, of course construction, chemicals, carbon, whatever, and of course energy and recycling. And this is a part where you find yourself, probably yourself. Now I want to give you a short introduction into the technology of the bandsaw blades. What is it? What are the major differences? And finally, you have three big groups. One is a bimetal, the carbide, and the gritted group. Bimetal means you have two different type of metals. So you have a basic steel strip, and you have on top as the tip which is doing the cutting operation. This is mostly an HSS. And this is how it will be produced. So you see the backing material, and so there's a HSS flat wire which is welded by electron beam on top, and then we have this operation by production. So this is mainly, okay. So you see the production is done by a milling process, and then of course others. Just to show you, we have different types of HSS which are designed for special applications, and I believe this is not so interested. So we have for different applications, we have different levels for the production, and also special design blades. Of course, just to show you, if you have more interest, we can discuss it later on in detail, just to get an impression. So we have a large group of tools which are able to do this cutting operation. The other is the carbide. It's similar. In this case, there is, of course, the same backing material. Then we have the carbide inserts, and by the welding process and following the grinding of the geometry. Of course, plenty of plates, which are also depending on what you like to cut. Another group, last but not least, this is a coated grit. So we have diamond coated bandsaw blades. They can be used, by example, for the dismantling of reinforced concrete in different shapes and grit sizes. Then we have a CBN coated bandsaw blades. Typical application is the cutting operation for hardened surfaces and hardened machine tools. And finally, we have the carbide coated bandsaw blades. This is mainly for soft and abrasive construction materials. Okay, and these are just to give you an impression, and we are short in time. This is typical application in the production to produce things for plant engineering. And of course, nickel-based alloys, we have specialists. And these are some examples to give you an idea about things we can do in the dismantling business. So you see, this is a heat exchanger, and the cutting operation is to cut off the exchange, the flange. And this is mostly duplex, super duplex, or nickel-based alloys. So easy done. So we are able to process also big volumes and big sizes. And this is to give you an idea. With the right sawing machine, we are able to cut huge parts within 4 or 5 meters. This is not a problem at all. So you see turbines. In the left picture, by example, this is a machinery which is used to cut underwater because these parts still have high radiation, and therefore the cutting process is done underwater. This is another example. So this is the concrete cutted by a diamond gritted saw blade, and as well, so we don't mind if we have steel inside, so reinforced. So we can offer you, as you see, a first orientation to make an analysis, to help you to build up a strategy how to dismantle these products. So we find an individual solution for you, and then we can make a tailored processing, helping you with the right tools, parameters, and so on. So at the end, so you will have, I would say, your customized solution which is suitable for you. Okay, and this again, you see, these all things are connected with this service. Okay, and I would say this is, of course, we have another thing, so it's called Academy, so we can offer you and your crew a training to get more knowledge to find the right application, right parameters, and all these things which are helping you to reduce at the end the cost per cut for you. Okay, so I believe I'm through due to the delay, so I hope I found some interest for you. And if you have any questions, we like to invite you in the booth here beside to answer individual questions. Thank you.